In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 exercises to work your deep cervical flexors. Each of these exercises should be done as a group of 3, where you hold each movement for 5 seconds and you perform 10 repetitions. These should be done daily, and you should slowly, gradually work up to those numbers. For the first exercise, you're going to need a thin pillow or a small blanket or towel that you can fold. This just provides a bit of resistance to give you some feedback to make sure you're firing the appropriate muscles. So you're going to lay on your back very simply with your knees up. And I'm actually going to make this a bit thicker. You're going to rest the back of your head on the towel. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your shoulders, get your shoulders back, take your chin, and you're going to nod and tuck. And rest. You're going to hold that for 5 seconds. You can do this 10 times. Again. You really want to feel it deep in your neck, not on the superficial muscles like your sternocleidomastoid. You want to feel it deep. So to know you're doing it properly, you should feel it deep inside. Again, you're going to hold it for 5 seconds. You'll be able to feel some feedback on the towel or the pillow. The next exercise, you can remove the pillow or towel, and it's going to be an isometric contraction, meaning you're not going to move your head, but we're just going to use the palm, and we're going to push your head this way into the hand for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to do both sides. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, 10 reps on each side. You might need to slowly work up to that over a few weeks, and that's completely okay. And for the final exercise, to work your deep cervical flexors, we're going to lie down. Your hands can be on your side like this or like this. We're going to pull our head up slightly, and we're going to tuck our chin or nod and hold for 5 seconds. And there you have it, my 3 favorite neck flexor exercises that's been prescribed to you to help rehabilitate your weak, deep neck flexors. If you have any questions, please ask.